Welcome to Bike Culture Hub, where today we're diving deep into one of Honda's most iconic and playful creations. A name that started as a cult classic in the 70s has now evolved into a high-tech, performance-packed mini beast, the all-new Gorilla 125. If you remember the original Honda Gorilla, you'll recall a compact machine with huge character. It was tiny, cheeky, and surprisingly capable. Fast forward to 2026, Honda has brought it back with a complete redesign that captures the spirit of the original while injecting it with today's technology and engineering brilliance. This is the mini bike that refuses to be underestimated. At first glance, the 2026 Gorilla 125 looks like something out of a dream for retro lovers. It carries the unmistakable silhouette of the 1978 Gorilla, short wheelbase, chunky tires, and that signature upright fuel tank, but this time, everything is sharper, stronger, and more detailed. The LED round headlamp gives it a modern glow, surrounded by brushed metal elements that mix old-school design with futuristic execution. The handlebars are slightly wider, giving a commanding riding stance, and the minimalist digital instrument cluster adds that contemporary edge without ruining its classic charm. When you approach the Gorilla 125, it's impossible not to smile. Its compactness hides an attitude that says, "I'm small, but I dare you to underestimate me." Honda calls it the perfect fusion of nostalgia and new-age engineering, and honestly, that description fits perfectly. Underneath its retro skin, the 2026 Gorilla packs a punchy 124 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder, four-stroke engine, the same reliable block architecture that powers the Grom and the Monkey 125, but tuned specifically for the Gorilla's personality. This little powerhouse produces around 9.5 horsepower and 10.5 Nm of torque, which might sound modest on paper, but when you're on a machine this light, every bit of power translates directly into fun. The moment you start it up, the Gorilla 125 hums to life with that classic thump that only Honda's mini bikes can deliver. It feels alive, eager, and responsive. Whether you're commuting through dense city traffic, riding to the coffee shop, or carving tight backroads, this thing feels like it's dancing under you. The throttle response is crisp, the gear shifts through its 5-speed manual transmission are buttery smooth, and the clutch feel is perfectly balanced for both beginners and seasoned riders. Now, let's talk about performance and handling, the part that defines the Gorilla's modern evolution. The 2026 model features a lightweight steel backbone frame, revised for extra rigidity while keeping the fun and flickable nature intact. The bike weighs just 105 kilograms, making it effortless to maneuver in tight spaces or twisty roads. The front suspension is a $31 million fork, yes, upside-down forks on a Gorilla, giving it remarkable stability and cornering control. At the rear, you get twin shocks with adjustable preload, perfect for adjusting between city rides and spirited weekend fun. Braking power is handled by a 220mm disc at the front and a 190mm disc at the rear, both assisted by a single-channel ABS system for safety. The combination ensures you can stop confidently without losing that sense of playfulness. The 12-inch alloy wheels are wrapped in chunky, semi-knobby tires, ready to tackle urban streets and light off-road trails alike. One of the most fun aspects of the 2026 Gorilla 125 is how it feels when you ride it. Every twist of the throttle feels like an invitation to break the rules. It's compact enough to zip through traffic but stable enough to cruise comfortably at 90 km per hour. The low seat height of 775 mm makes it approachable for riders of all sizes, and the ergonomics are surprisingly comfortable even for longer commutes. Honda has managed to keep that mischievous mini bike vibe while giving it grown-up refinement. And let's not forget the sound, that raspy, cheeky exhaust note that gives the Gorilla its signature character. Honda has redesigned the exhaust system for 2026, giving it a deeper tone and better mid-range punch. It sounds throaty for a 125 cubic centimeters, and it adds a lot to the emotional appeal of the bike. In terms of features, the 2026 Gorilla 125 doesn't fall short. The compact digital display provides all the essentials: speedometer, gear indicator, fuel gauge, and trip info, all in a clean, minimal layout. Honda has even added a USB-C charging port under the seat, perfect for your phone or navigation devices. LED lighting all around ensures visibility, while the ignition now includes a smart key system with immobilizer technology, a welcome feature for urban riders. One of the biggest surprises is Honda's focus on customization. The Gorilla 125 is built on a modular accessory platform, meaning you can change its look and functionality easily. Want a scrambler setup? Honda's got official kits with high-mounted fenders, knobby tires, and side racks. Prefer a cafe racer vibe? Swap out the bars, add a low seat, and you've got a totally different personality. This flexibility makes the Gorilla 125 one of the most personalizable mini bikes Honda has ever made. Fuel efficiency, as you'd expect from Honda, is exceptional. The bike returns around 70 km per liter under mixed riding conditions, making it one of the most economical fun bikes out there. With a 6-liter fuel tank, you can easily cruise for over 400 km on a single fill-up. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Honda Gorilla 125 sits between the Monkey 125 and the Grom. Depending on your market, it's expected to launch around $3,999 or roughly 3.2 Indian rupees lakh in India, PKR 1.6 million in Pakistan, and 3,600 pounds in the UK. For what you're getting, a combination of retro styling, modern reliability, and that irresistible Honda build quality, it's a solid deal. Now, while it's easy to compare the Gorilla with the Monkey or Grom, there's something unique about its personality. The Grom feels youthful and urban. The Monkey feels playful and nostalgic. But the Gorilla? It feels like rebellion bottled up in a small frame. It's more muscular, more rugged, and more expressive, like the wild cousin who refuses to follow the rules. From the way it looks to the way it rides, the Gorilla 125 oozes character. The thick frame tubes, the tank-mounted Honda wing emblem, the fat tires, and that old-school seat pattern all come together to create something special. It's the kind of bike that makes even non-riders stop and stare. It's an emotional machine, one that connects you with Honda's heritage but also looks ready for the future. And speaking of future, Honda is also offering a special Gorilla 125 Urban Trail Edition, which adds a headlight grille, bashplate, and off-road foot pegs. It's a limited variant aimed at enthusiasts who want that extra rugged edge. There's also talk of a Gorilla electric concept in development, but for now, this 125 cubic centimeters version is the purest expression of the Gorilla legacy. When you ride it through the city, people notice. They smile, they ask questions, and they recognize it because it's not just another commuter bike. It's a statement. A fun, fearless, compact icon that refuses to blend in. Maintenance is simple and affordable. Honda's 125 cubic centimeters engine is known worldwide for reliability, and the Gorilla shares components with the Monkey and Grom, meaning spare parts are easily available. Service intervals are spaced generously, and Honda claims you can run this bike for years with minimal upkeep. Even on open roads, the Gorilla surprises you. It's not built for highway touring, but it can comfortably cruise at 90 to 95 km per hour without vibrations or strain. It's happiest in the 50 to 80 km per hour range, where it delivers the most engaging ride experience. As we wrap up this review, one thing is clear: the Gorilla is more than just a comeback. It's a celebration of Honda's playful spirit. A mini motorcycle that carries a giant heart. And with the 2026 edition, Honda has proven that legends don't just return, they evolve. That's it for today's deep dive on the 2026 Honda Gorilla 125. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Bike Culture Hub, and share your thoughts below. Would you ride the new Gorilla? Or are you more of a Monkey or Grom fan? We'd love to hear your take. Until next time, ride safe, ride smart, and always ride with passion. This is Bike Culture Hub, where bikes aren't just machines, they're a lifestyle.